Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Begin now. Plug your iPhone into power and confirm battery is at least 50%. This prevents interruptions. Next, back up your device to iCloud or to a computer using Finder/iTunes so you can restore if something goes wrong. Once backed up, free up 5 to 10% of storage by removing large apps or photos. The installer needs temporary space. Then open Settings, tap General, and select Software Update to let the phone check for the latest iOS build. When the update appears, tap Download and install and accept the terms. This begins file transfer and integrity checks. Use Wi-Fi for faster, more reliable downloads. Cell data can be slower or blocked for large packages. Once the download finishes, the device will prepare the update and may reboot several times. This is normal. Make sure you do not force restart or interrupt power during installation because that can corrupt the update. If prompted, enter your passcode to continue the update process. After installation, follow the on-screen setup prompts and sign in with your Apple ID to restore iCloud data and settings. This finalizes features and security updates. Once you're back to the home screen, open the App Store to update apps for compatibility and review settings to confirm new preferences. If the device is stuck, try a normal reboot first. If that fails, connect to a computer and use recovery or DFU mode to reinstall iOS. Remember, restoring from your backup preserves your data if
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.